Okay, chord spacing. Between 1 and 2 is A. Between 2 and 3 is B. Between 3 and 4 is C. Between 4 and 5 is D. Between 5 and 6 is E. A, B, C, D, and E. Okay, this is a variation of the Mad Zipper. It's called the Primal Mad Zipper. It's by Andrew, also known as Androshipus. You can follow him on Instagram. The theme is going to be the reverse flash, which Clint Story did for us. And let's start. Okay, I'm going to show you a little trick that I showed you in a previous video, and it's how to strengthen up the two middle strands in a 6-strand cord for this type of setup. First thing I do is that I grab each end, and I already have it set up for this one. I go down B and I go down D, and then I bring those two strands up through C. Get in the center, tighten it up, and then I push it up. Then if I'm going down, I'll go down E and I'll go down A. If I'm going up, I'll probably go down B and then come up A. But that's the same setup as you see on top. Okay, so let's begin. We're going to grab our right strand and we're going to keep it loose. We're going to go down A, under, out through C. We're going to go down A, out through C again, and then down through E. And I'll show you what it's going to look like in a second. Okay, so that's what the knot is going to look like. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is start pulling through C. Tighten up. We're going to pull through C again on the upper side of the cord. And then we're just going to pull the slack. Grab our left cord, go down A, out through C, down through E, out through C again, and down through A. And I'll show you again what it looks like. And it's going to look like that. So let's pull through C. And we're going to pull on the top side of C. And then we'll pull the slack. Okay, let's go with the right cord again. We're going to go down E, out through C, down through A, out through C again, and down through E. Okay, that's what it's going to look like. So let's pull on the bottom side of the cord on C, and let's pull on the top side of the cord on C, and then we'll pull the slack. Okay, let's grab our left cord. We're going to go down A, out through C, down through E, out through C again, and down through A. And once again, we pull on C. And we pull on the top part of C, the slack. Let's do one more. Okay, I'm gonna grab our right cord. I'm gonna go down E, out through C, down A, out through C again, and then down through E. Okay, and we'll pull again on bottom part of C. When I'm pulling the slack, the best way to do it for this type of knot is to pull it straight down, or at least towards you, so it doesn't tangle up with this other knot over here. Okay, let's try one more. We're gonna go down A, out through C, down through E, out through C, and then down through A. And let's pull on the bottom part of the cord. And let's pull on the top part on C. Okay, let's do one more. Okay, right cord, down E, out through C, down through A, and out through C. Okay, now let's go down through E. Once again, we pull bottom side of the cord on C, and we pull on the top part. And then we pull the slack. Now remember, you want it underneath this one. Okay, final one. Let's go down through A, out through C, down through E, out through C, and down through A. And once again we pull. Someone asked me an interesting question, and it's was the same knot, but the way it was pulled was different by different type of paracorders. So depending on the pressure and how much you tighten the core, everything, the same knot could look totally different for another person. So don't panic, just get used to doing the pressure if you want it to look the same as theirs, or you might want your own variation of the knot. All right, so take it to the end and have fun.